Lesson 3. The Roman Republic. The political system of the Roman Republic was characterized by a strict hierarchy of offices and ongoing social conflict. Ambitious Roman politicians climbed a sequential ladder of public offices, known as the cursus honorum. At the top of this ladder were the consuls. 2 consuls were elected annually, possessing supreme executive authority and civil and military imperium to command armies. They were elected by the Comitia Centuriata, an assembly organized by wealth classes. Because wealthier centuries voted first and held a majority, they controlled the election of senior magistrates. Another senior role was the censor, 2 ex-consuls elected every 5 years to assess property qualifications, revise the Senate roll, and enforce public morality. Early in the Republic, non-patrician citizens known as plebeians waged a political struggle for equality. Through strikes and secessions, they gained access to magistrates and lawmaking. A major milestone was the Lex Hortensia of 287 BCE, which decreed that resolutions passed by the plebeian assembly were binding on all citizens, including patricians. Plebeians were represented by tribunes of the plebs, who held a powerful constitutional mechanism called intercessio. This allowed a tribune to utter a veto to halt the actions of magistrates or senatorial decrees. Eventually, the Republic faced complex structural contradictions that caused its collapse. Gaius Marius abolished property requirements for military enlistment, drawing landless citizens into a professional standing army. These soldiers relied on their generals for land grants upon discharge. This created client armies loyal to military commanders rather than the state, which combined with populist leaders using tribunician assemblies to bypass the Senate, fatally destabilized the Republic.